Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I got another video for you on a 2013 Dodge Avenger. This engine, it's got the 2.4 liter engine that's in the Chrysler 200. I think even the Dodge Journey, a lot of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep share this same engine. What I've got is that, and I've dealt with this before, I've got an exhaust leak. So, first thing you're going to be thinking is that you need a exhaust manifold gasket. So I went through this before, put exhaust manifold gasket on, it was still leaking. So what I found is that this must be a common issue on these engines that share the same manifold. Basically, they crack on you. So instead of buying a whole new exhaust manifold gasket, if you have the tools or if you know a welder, you can basically take it to them and have them weld this up. So this is what I had to do. So basically, I've got it off. There's a heat shield on top of it. You have to unbolt the heat shield that's on the top of it. Unbolts from here. You got 4 10mm bolts. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So then basically what you do is you flip it over and you've got to cut this heat shield off on the inside. It's welded to it. So it's going to probably require a torch. I was able to cut this one with one of these. The ones on the sides, you can get to those with a grinder, a cutting wheel. But the ones that you got some right here, and you also have some right here. So those, you can't really get that grinder in there. I guess you probably could try to cut it up here, wherever you can get your grinder to, but those up there, I don't know if you got like a little angle grinder or a cutting wheel that'll get in there. You can get in there and cut those too. So anyway, once you get those cut, you'll take this off, and then this is what you'll find. There's a crack right here, and they could be cracked in other places, but I found the ones that I've dealt with were pretty much cracked in the same location. I think here, see if I can, let me see if I can zoom in on this other spot up here. So you see a crack there also. So basically, I'm going to weld this up because I am also a welder. And then once you're done, you have to weld this shield back on. So, all right, I'm about to get to it. And then you can also look around, make sure you don't see any other cracks anywhere. I don't know why these manifolds crack so easily. But yeah, look, there's another. There's another crack. So yeah, check around, try to make sure you get them out if you're going to attempt to weld it. But of course, if you want to save some money, this will be the easiest thing to do. Just take it off, and get it welded up. So this is for if you had an exhaust leak on a 2.4 liter Chrysler engine and you changed the exhaust manifold gasket and it's still got an exhaust leak. More than likely, this is what your problem is. And the exhaust manifold gasket that comes off of it, I'm actually going to go ahead and change this while I got it off, so that won't be a problem for years to come. So just a quick video about what I found on these 2.4 liter Dodge engines, Chrysler, Jeep, and I think even Fiat uses the same engine. So if you have that problem, before you start, before you go and buy new exhaust manifold gaskets, take it off and just have a good look at it. The one right here, you can see this one, just by taking the heat shield out. So you wouldn't actually have to take it off the car to see this one to verify if you have cracks. But yeah, check it out. You know, that could very well be what your problem is. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks.